Do I hate my teacher? You always get me into trouble. What should I do? I know. I will assault my teacher.
Okay class. Today we are gonna learn about geometry. Overhaul, what are you doing?
Yeah. Stay down, bitch.
Overhaul, report to my office right now.
No. Scary voice.
Mr. Wright, can I get you the nurse?
Overhaul, you do realize your teacher is the applicant of this video. That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Get out and do home right now.
Overhaul, I can't believe you assaulted your teacher. That's it. Go to your room now.
War.
Before I end this video, announcement. I will start on part 1 of Tom Gets in Dead Meat for the second time next Friday. And I am holding on parts on Movie Maker. See you later guys.